Introducing the PT1 camera. Sometimes you just want to do things yourself. The PT camera offers quick installation with fewer screws. Just twist to lock onto the quick installation plate. Control the camera remotely with the app for 360-degree live viewing. If you aren't aware of what smart dual lights are, let me enlighten you. Smart dual light technology provides 3 settings: warm light, IR light, and smart dual light. Smart dual light mode defaults to IR light. When someone enters the rule zone, it switches to warm light and the built-in speaker alarms, acting as an active deterrent. Once the rule zone is empty again, the lights will automatically switch back to IR. A built-in speaker is great, but so is a built-in mic. The PT1 camera provides two-way talk via the app and camera for quick communication. Especially great when you want to connect with your workers in real time but aren't physically there.